So for me, project-based learning, if I think about how to define things, sometimes I go what it isn't and what it is. And so what project-based learning is, it isn't co-op or an internship. It isn't a project at the end of a semester. But what it is, it's actual learning based around the context of what you're trying to do. That's what project-based learning does. You're not just learning the theory on this is how you write code, or you're not just writing code. You're integrating that to do a project with the team like you'd actually work. If you're doing it for a business model, you're not just looking at how you're going to develop a strategy, but you're doing a project to develop a strategy. So you're learning the theory behind it, and you're getting the practice. And when you put the two of those together, it is so much more powerful because you know why it works. It's not like you accidentally stumbled upon it. When you're in that project and you are learning this, you may see some things going like, I wonder why this didn't work. But then you have the opportunity to get the theory behind it, and you keep marrying those two together. So that's why I'm a strong supporter about project-based learning. When you get students that come from that environment, it is so much richer than just having someone with just a straight academic background, because they do have that humility. Through that process, they learn to know what they don't know. They've learned to respect for others, but they've also learned their areas where they can shine. They learn that integrity. When you're working with a team, you learn you have to do what you say you're going to do because that team is depending on you. And through that, they also learn that discipline, that this is how you work with a team. And while you may not quite be feeling like doing something, again, with that integrity and that humility, you know you need to have that discipline because that whole team is depending on you. So that's what makes me a strong advocate of project-based learning.